Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Mamata and I'll be your Korean trainer for today. So in the last class we did verbs and adjectives. Today we are going to do yonsub of all the moon verb that we have done. So we are going to practice all the grammars that we have learned. Starting off with our markers. So in this question we need to fit the markers in the paragraph. Let's see. 마크 씨 어제 도서관 갔습니다. So sentence is ending with formal 가다 and 도서관 is a library. So I need to add markers in these two spaces. Let's see what we're going to add. 마크 씨. So we're talking about 마크 씨. 마크 씨 becomes my topic. So 마크 씨는 어제 yesterday 도서관 갔습니다. Ending with 가다 I add 에 location marker 에. So 마크 씨는 어제 도서관에 갔습니다. 마크 씨 went to the library yesterday. 도서관 something something 한국어 책 읽었습니다. So 도서관 at the 도서관 마크 씨 read 한국어 책. So how do we do this? 도서관. So why? Because here my sentence is ending with ikta, to read. So with verbs which are not ghada, oda, itta, otta, in those sentences we use 에서 with our location. So 도서관에서 한국어 책. 한국어 책 becomes my object. 한국어 책을. Why? Because Mark she is reading it. Mark is my subject or my topic, and 한국어 책, this person is reading the 한국어 책. The 한국어 책 becomes my object. 한국어 책을 읽었습니다. 그리고 and 한국 음악 들었습니다. And listen to Korean music. So 한국 음악 becomes my object here. Same reason as this one. 한국어 책을, 한국어 음악을 들었습니다. Listen to Korean music. 마크 씨 도서관 앞 다원 씨 만났습니다. So Mark met Tawan in front of the 도서관, in front of the library, up in front of. So 앞에서 만났습니다. Because ending with 만나다, here I'm adding 에서, 앞에서. So Mark she is meeting Tawan she. So Mark she is my subject or my topic. Mark she는 도서관 앞에서 다원 씨를 만났습니다. Then 두 사람 한국 식당 같이 밥 먹었습니다. So 두 사람, these two people become my topic. 두 사람은 한국 식당에서 같이 together, 밥 is meal or rice, 밥을 먹었습니다. Ate the meal. So meal becomes my object and 두 사람, these two people become my topic. And 먹었습니다 ending with 먹다, I add 에서 to my location. Now let's read the whole thing together. 마크 씨는 어제 도서관에 갔습니다. 도서관에서 한국어 책을 읽었습니다. 그리고 한국 음악을 들었습니다. 마크 씨는 도서관 앞에서 다원 씨를 만났습니다. 두 사람은 한국 식당에서 같이 밥을 먹었습니다. Okay. Now next we are going to try and translate sentences from English to 한국어. Let's see. I am Julie. I am an office employee. I am Julie. Am we use 이에요. So I would be 저. That I'll add topic marker. So 저는 줄리예요. I am Julie. I am an office employee. Office employee, company employee is 회사원. So 회사원이에요. 회사원이에요. I am an office employee. Right? So we know that when we have already established our subject of the sentence, we get omitted. So here I could have also write 저는. But instead of writing 2 times 저는, I can omit it the next time. Okay. Next sentence. I will graduate from university and I want to get a job at a Korean company. Okay. I will graduate from university. This would be future tense. Future tense. 을 거예요. Right? So 졸업하다 is to graduate. So to 졸업하다, I add 올 거예요. So 졸업할 거예요. So I will graduate. 그리고 and, when and is starting a sentence, 그리고 I want to do something, 고 싶다. So 한국 회사 is company, so Korean company. 취직하다, to get a job. So 취직하다, you want to get a job. 고 싶다. 취직하고 싶어요. 그리고 한국 회사에 취직하고 싶어요. I want to get a job at a Korean company. Next one. I bought 3 apples and 2 oranges from the market. 3 apples and 2 oranges from the market. You can say 시장 is market. 시장에서 location marker. From the 시장. 사과 3개. 이 사과 하고 between 2 nouns. 오렌지 2개. 2 oranges 2개를 샀어요. 사다 is to buy. So 샀어요. Past tense. 시장에서 사과 3개 하고 오렌지 2개를 샀어요. I bought 3 apples and 2 oranges from the market. Next one. Please give me 2 bottles of milk and 5 apples. Let's see. 2 bottles of milk. 우유 2병. 2 bottles. 병 is used for bottles. 하고, again between 2 nouns. 사과 5개. 5 apples. So 주세요, say, please do something. So 주세요, please give me. So please give me 2 bottles of milk and 5 apples. 우유 2병 하고 사과 5개 주세요. Okay. Next one. Do you go to school? Now we know that in Korean we don't really need to add question words a lot of the times. So 학교에 가요 with a full stop would mean go to school. 학교에 가요 with a question mark would mean do you go to school? So 학교에 가요. Do you go to school? Next one. I met my friends at the cafe. Met my friends at the cafe. So let's start with cafe here. 카페에서 at the cafe. 카페에서 친구를 만났어요. 만나다. Met past tense. So 만났어요. I met my friends at the cafe. Okay. Next we have Mark likes spring and autumn season. Mark likes spring and autumn season. So let's start with Mark. Mark 씨는 봄하고 가을, 봄, spring and autumn. Noun between 2 nouns 하고. 봄하고 가을을 좋아해요. So Mark likes spring and autumn. Here I've used 좋아합니다. In formal tense, you can also use 좋아해요 to like something in informal tense. Moving on, Julie wants to go to the mall. Julie wants to go to the mall. So let's start with Julie. Julie 씨는 shopping mall에 가고 싶어요. So Julie wants to go to the shopping mall. Next one. I did not study today. I will study tomorrow. So 오늘 is today. To that I'm adding topic marker. 공부 안 했어요. In these cases, with hada words, we know that an is used between the noun and hada. 공부하다, 공부 is the noun, hada is the verb. So between 공부 and hada, I add an. 공부 안 했어요. Did not study today. Past tense. 내일 할 거예요. Tomorrow I will study. 내일, tomorrow, 하다, to do, study. To do something. 내일 할 거예요. I'll do it tomorrow. I could have also said 내일 공부할 거예요. This is the same thing because I've already established that I'm talking about 공부. I can omit it from here. Okay, next one. Today is the 25th of August. It is a holiday. Therefore, I don't work today. Let's start. Today is the 25th of August. 오늘 8월 월 we add to months. So 8월 8th month 25일 25 25일 I'm adding for the date. 25일이에요. It is 이에요. So it is the 25th of August. August 25th. It is a holiday. Holiday is 휴일. So 휴일이에요. It is 이에요. It is a holiday. Then therefore I don't work today. 그래서 일 안 해요. Don't work. Just like 공부 안 해요, this also 일 안 해요 and not 안일 해요. Okay. Moving on, now we are going to figure out the incorrect sentences of the given sentences. Okay. First one. 줄리 씨는 호주 사람이에요. Okay. Marker is correct here also, here also. Next. 책상에 책이 있어요. 책상에 책이 있어요. Okay. Next one. 줄리 씨은 회사에 가요. Okay, now we have figured out the mistake. 줄리 씨은 ending with a vowel. This should have been 는. 줄리 씨는. So third one is the incorrect one. Let's have a look at the fourth one also. 가방 안에. 가방 안에. Okay, 펜이 없어요. There is no pen inside the bag. So 1, 2 and 4 are correct. The number 3 is incorrect. Moving on. 오늘 카페에서 커피를 마셔요. I drink coffee at the coffee shop today, at the cafe today. 오늘 카페에서 커피를 마셔요. Okay. Next one, number 2. 내일 학교에 갔어요. Now, 내일 is tomorrow. 갔어요 here is in past tense. So the second one is incorrect. Let's have a look at the third one. 오늘 시장에 갑니다. I go to the 시장 today, at the market today. This is okay. Number 4. 어제 집에서 잤습니다. 어제, yesterday, 집에서, at home, 잤습니다. I slept. So fourth one is also okay. The second one should have been 내일 학교에 갈 거예요. I will go to the 학교 tomorrow. Next one. 침대 위에 가방이 있어요. Okay. 침대 위에 가방이 있어요. On top of the bed, there is a bag. 민수 씨의 회사원이에요. 민수 씨의. This is either a time marker or a location marker. So here it should have been 민수 씨는 회사원이에요. 민수 씨 is a 회사원. 민수 씨 is my topic. So there should have been a topic marker. 마크 씨는 식당에 가요. This is also okay. 마크 씨는 가방이 침대 위에 있어요. So bag is on the bed. So if you notice, sentence number 1 and sentence number 2 essentially mean the same. 침대 위에 가방이 있어요. There is a bag on the bed and 가방이 침대 위에 있어요. Both have the same meaning. There are two ways that you can say it. Okay, so incorrect option number 2. Moving on. 어제 백화점에서 친구를 만났어요. 어제, yesterday, 만났어요. Met with my friend at the 백화점. Departmental store. So this is correct. 지금 집에서 책을 읽어요. 지금, right now, 읽어요. I read a book at home. This is also okay. 어제 시장에서 사과를 사요. 어제, yesterday, 사요 is in present tense. So this should have been 샀어요. 어제 시장에서 사과를 샀어요. I bought apples from the market yesterday. So this should have been 샀어요. So third option is my incorrect one. 지금 집에 가세요. Go to home now, right now. Go home right now. This is also okay. This might sound a little weird. 지금 집에 가세요. Go to home now. But this is correct, grammatically correct. Third one is incorrect. Moving on. 마크 씨는 음악을 들었어요. 들었어요. This is also okay. 마크 씨 음악을 들었어요. Mark listened to music. 토요일에 안 공부해요. Here. 안 공부해요. 안 should have been placed here. 공부 안 해요. Not 안 공부해요. Like we just discussed, 안 is placed between noun and 하다 word. So 토요일에 공부 안 해요. Second one is my incorrect sentence. 오늘은 안 바빠요. Today I am not busy. 안 바빠요. This is okay. Next one. 내일은 갈 수 있어요. Tomorrow I can go. 갈 수 있어요. Okay. Next one. 어제 6시 30분에 친구를 만났어요. 어제. Yesterday. 6시 6 o'clock 30분. 6:30. A time marker. Okay. 친구를 만날 거예요. Will meet my friend yesterday. So first one is incorrect. This should have been 만났어요 past tense. Second one. 내일 같이 점심을 먹을까요? Shall we have lunch together? 먹을까요? Shall we have it? 내일, tomorrow. This is also perfect. Next one. 줄리 씨는 제주도에 가고 싶어 해요. 줄리 씨 wants to go to 제주도. 싶어 하다 is for when we are talking about others' wants and wishes. So 줄리 씨는 제주도에 가고 싶어 해요. 제주도 is a very famous island of Korea. Next one. 한국에 다음 달에 갈 거예요. 가다. 다음 달 next month time marker A. So this is also okay. I will go to Hanguk next month. Okay, so that's it for practice session for today. I'll see you in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.